No one was injured. Ryan, it's going to be a scorcher out there today. Not a whole lot of rain in the forecast, at least for today, but more on the way later this week.
Absolutely. Now, while conditions mostly rain-free this morning in New Mexico, storms definitely hitting the southeast in the form of an overall tropical cyclone, Tropical Storm Debbie. Now, yesterday made landfall as a Category 1 storm in the Big Bend of Florida. Now, a weaker storm, a tropical storm with winds sustained at 45 miles per hour, central pressure rising, meaning it's weakening 999 millibars. But plenty of rain, though, and storm surge. And the speed of the storm, by the way, slowing down only 7 miles per hour. So if you guys have friends in the southeast, eventually the storm, as it makes its way farther up the coast, will impact many of those people. So air traffic also delays may be a big concern. Here in Albuquerque, we are starting off rain-free, but we had a thunderstorm earlier this morning. Again, rain-free for now, but we had a storm moving through Double Eagle. It really quickly formed and dissipated really along the Sandoval, Bernalillo County line. Again, Albuquerque rain-free. The storm moved on through very quickly. We had some showers earlier this morning in the northern mountains near Chama. Those showers have since dissipated as well. Showers near Nageezi to the south have dissipated, and showers near Gallup have also mostly dissipated this morning. We are dealing with some moisture in the air, some clouds, but generally from Albuquerque to the south and east, mostly clear from clouds and a very mild start. Look at these temperatures, well above normal. By the way, it is not 12 degrees in Alamogordo. We are in the 60s and 70s. I promise you that. And we are sitting in the 60s and 70s right now from Roswell and Carlsbad, low to mid 70s, as a matter of fact. 67 in Santa Fe, a beautiful morning already. Not too humid, 58 in Taos, 53 in Alamosa, cooling off pretty quickly, upper 40s in Angel Fire. Again, these temperatures way above normal. We are sitting at the sun part with mostly clear skies and some clouds over the Sandias at 75 right now. Very calm winds, a 40% relative humidity value. Drier compared to yesterday at this time. Heating up this afternoon to right around 97, a little bit warmer than yesterday because of less clouds and less rain activity. We had a lonely thunderstorm in the northeastern parts of the metro. Again, mostly sunny and a pretty warm day. So make sure you guys stay cool and comfortable. I know today is the last day before school for many of y'all, so make sure you guys enjoy it by staying cool and comfortable, jump in the pool, but limit your time outdoors if you can help it and have the sunscreen handy because these temperatures closer and closer to triple-digit territory from Clayton to Tucumcari, Roswell, and even Carlsbad and Jal, New Mexico, our best chance, not on this map, of triple-digit heat. Near that in Las Cruces and Deming, Albuquerque, Santa Fe, 90s. 70s and 80s from Alamosa and Taos and Raton, where there's still a chance of rain, a low chance of rain in Rio Doce, 80s, and in the 80s and low 90s in the Gila National Forest. Now, the storms will be very slow moving, drifting off to the north, then to the west in the Hermit's Peak Cap Canyon area, so flooding still a possibility because of the slow moving nature of the storms. Meanwhile, the storms will move from north to south to west in the Four Corners. Durango, you may get some rain today, lower chances of rain south of Gallup in the Gila National Forest. It's all courtesy of this high pressure system drifting today into tomorrow in the Pecos River Valley. Another high pressure to our west, providing very slow upper level winds with still moisture in the northern areas, but drier air elsewhere. That's why most areas will be mostly rain free and pretty warm out there. Lower 90s, upper 80s in Durango ahead, Pagosa Springs, low to mid 80s, as well as Alamosa. In Farmington, most likely rain-free today, but stormier later this week. In Gallup, maybe a stray shower, thunderstorm again. South of there, though, in Grants and even east, likely rain-free. Las Cruces closer and closer back to triple-digit heat. Alamogordo, mid to upper 90s. Socorro, mid to upper 90s as well. Roswell, high 90s, low triple digits ahead. Rio Doce, mostly sunny today, very low chance of rain. Cloudcroft, maybe a stray shower nearby in the mid-70s. And we are going to be seeing some storms nearby the northeastern plains, but more likely than not, more in Las Vegas, high 80s, low 90s, and rain-free. Santa Fe, most likely rain-free today, stormier later this week. Angel Fire, Red River, upper 70s, lower 80s, some slow-moving storms in the Hermit's Peak Cap Canyon area, Burn Scar. Edgewood, Estancia, Sandia Park, Cedar Crest, upper 80s, lower 90s, mostly sunny today. Across the metro, widespread 90s, pretty close to triple-digit territory today, and we may, in parts of the southern metro, reach 100 tomorrow. but storms developing later tomorrow and later this week. That will knock back those temperatures just in time for school starting tomorrow.
All right, yeah, you'll want to send your kiddos to school with water bottles and everything they'll need to stay cool and hydrated.
Indeed, and maybe an umbrella.
All right, thanks, Ryan. 5